Finally, we got this after a lot of negotiations, after a lot of hard work, after a lot of talks and a lot of hours, which we talked with this supplier. We got a discounted gift cards for AutoDS users. So as all of you know, the most profitable way now to get money, to make profits on Amazon to eBay dropshipping is using discounted gift cards. The problem is that most of the gift card suppliers are very not trustful, and it's very dangerous to work with them. So we worked with some different suppliers to check their services, to check how they provide their gift cards, to check if the gift cards are safe and if our Amazon account's not getting suspended. So finally we got one amazing supplier, so we started to work with him and we started to check how we can get the best deal from this supplier for our customers in AutoDS, so the customers can make much more money and much more profits. So in this video I want to show you how to use the new supplier and how to get discounted gift cards specifically for AutoDS users. So let's see how it works. If I go to the gift cards page in AutoDS, I will also put a direct link to this page, to the page of the supplier under this video. I have the option to choose between Amazon US, Amazon UK and Amazon Germany. Here I will go, for example, for Amazon US. Now let's see how it works. First of all, you will get a pop-up of all of the prices and all of the discounts for the AutoDS users. This is because you came from our link. So let's say that I want to take the $100 and let's see how it works. First of all, you can see that the discounts go up to 6%. So I want first to show you this one. So let's go to the login and register. Only for the first time when we go to the site, we need to make the registration process. So let's see how it works. I will reload the page and I will go to the login page. Then here we have the option of sign up with Facebook or sign up with email. I will go for sign up with Facebook and continue just to log in. And then immediately it opened an account for me. Now let's see how it works. I will go to the shop. Then here we have all of the different gift cards. As you can see, by default they have up to 1% discount in their site. Now I will take the 3000 gift card and I will click add to cart, view cart, and let's see how it works. Here I will go in the bottom and click enter promo code. I will put my code of AutoDS, click apply, and then we can see that we saved $180. Now think about this, you can be much more profitable just because you use these discounts. It's another $180 profit only from using these gift cards. So you can make your break even much lower and your profits much lower and make your profit in the background. Let's take the $100 and make the full purchase process. So I will click add to cart, view cart as we did before. And here enter promo code and I will write 100 here. Apply. Then I go to checkout with PayPal. It will transfer me to my PayPal account and it's very easy. As you know how to buy with PayPal, it's very easy. So I just click continue. And that's all. Actually, now I finished my ordering process. Just click place order and that's all. Now I got a confirmation here. I will go and click here download just to have it in my computer. Now after a few minutes usually they will contact me on WhatsApp and they will provide me the discount. Be aware that they have a working hours. They write their working hours on their main page. So just buy in these working hours so they can contact you and catch you immediately, and then you can just communicate and get the gift card. If you purchase not in the working hours, they will just contact you a day after and that's all. They have a great service. You can see here the working hours. It's a lot of hours every day, so it's fine and it's worth it. The first time the process will be a bit harder, a bit longer because you don't know the process, but after this you will just send them a message on WhatsApp that you got it and it will be very, very, very easy. I hope that you like the discounts which we got for you. I hope that you will enjoy and make much more profits. Enjoy your new profits. See you on the next videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here under this video. Bye bye.